Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn about repeated identity concept. This is a mathematics word problem type. Well, what's repeated identity concept? Repeated identity concept is a concept which involves an object or person that is repeated in the question. So that will be our clue. But remember, it's not just the name is repeated, but the identity is repeated. Okay? You'll understand more if you follow this video till the end. Okay, so stay tuned. But before we dive deeper about repeated identity concept, I think we need to understand some of the fundamentals in fraction and also in ratios, also percentage, because that will really help us to get this kind of question done. Okay, so let's review a little bit. Timmy has 3/7 as many marbles as Michael. Well, if you read this kind of question, remember the first person has the numerator number and the denominator belongs to the second person mentioned in the back, at the back. Okay, so that means Timmy has 3 units and Michael has 7 units. Timmy and Michael have marbles in the ratio 2 to 3. That means Timmy has the first ratio and Michael has the second ratio. Yes, that's right. Timmy has 2 units and Michael has 3 units. Easy, right? Timmy has 20% as many marbles as Michael. That means Timmy has 20% while Michael has, yes, 100%. Timmy has 20% more marbles than Michael. That means Timmy has 120% while Michael has 100%. You can see here, Timmy has 20% more than Michael. Yeah, more than 100%. Okay, then Timmy has 20% less marble than Michael. That means Timmy has 80% while Michael has 100%. You can see the difference between them is 20%, so Timmy has 20% less. So this kind of, if you understand this kind of things about percentage, about ratio and fractions, that will be really helpful and you can get the repeated identity concept questions done even easier and easier. So let's see the example of this kind of question. I have a question here. Alex has thrice as much money as Carl. John has twice as much money as Alex. And then if John has $45 more than Carl, find the total amount of money the 3 boys have. Well, before we draw the models, I want to ask all of you, like, which one is the repeated identity here? Is it Alex? Is it Carl? Or is it John? Well, that's right. That's Alex, because Alex is mentioned 2 times. The identity of Alex here is mentioned 2 times. Alex has thrice as much money as Carl, and John has twice as much money as Alex. Yeah, so Alex is mentioned 2 times here. Well, let's draw the model. Okay, well, we'll begin with the least number of units, which is Carl. Okay, because Alex has thrice as much money as Carl. So Carl has 1/3 of what Alex has. But then John has even more, 2 times more than Alex. So we know that the least number of units belong to Carl. So let's draw Carl 1 unit. And then Alex 3 units because Alex has thrice as much money as Carl. And then, what about John? How many boxes do we have to draw that represent John's money? Yes, that's right. It is 6 boxes over there. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, and then times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 times. Okay, and then we use this information. If John has $45 more than Carl, yeah, that's our next information. So John has 45 more than Carl. Carl has 1 while John has 6. That means, yes, like this. Yeah, we put the $45 that this one to represent the 5 boxes, because the differences between John and Carl's money represented by the 5 boxes. Okay, well, I'm sure after this you know what to do next. That's right. Yeah, 5 boxes equals to $45. So 1 box equals to 45 divided by 5, which is equals to $9. And then the question is, find the total amount of money the 3 boys have. We have Carl 1 box, Alex 3 box, and John 6 box. In total, we have 10 boxes. So 10 times $9 equals to $90. Okay, let's see the next question so you can understand this kind of concept even more. Okay, Darriel has 2 per 5 as many cookies as Malvin, and 1 per 4 as many cookies as Kief. If they have a total of 105 cookies, how many cookies does Darriel have? Okay, so in this kind of question, let's see that Darriel is mentioned 2 times. Darriel's identity is mentioned twice here. Darriel has 2 per 5 as many cookies as Malvin. Also, Darriel has 1 per 4 as many cookies as Kief. So Darriel is our repeated identity in this question. Let's draw the model. The least one is Darriel. Darriel has 2 per 5 as 2 per 5 as many cookies as Malvin. That means Malvin has, that's right, 5. Yeah, Darriel has 2 and Malvin has 5. And then Darriel also has 1 per 4 as many cookies as Kief. So these 2 boxes represent 1 per 4 of what Kief had. That means we need to times 4. Yeah, what Darriel has, we need to times it with 4 to represent Kief's cookies. Therefore, it will be like this. Darriel, and then Kief, I draw 8 boxes to represent Kief's cookies, because Kief has 4 times what Darriel has. Okay, now the next information is if they have a total of 105 cookies. That's our hint. Let's count how many boxes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, that means 15 boxes equals to 105 cookies. After that, we know that 1 box equals to 105 divided by 15 equals to 7. But that's not the answer yet, because what we're looking for is, yes, Darriel's cookies. Okay, Darriel has 2 boxes over here. That means we need to times 2 times, we need to times it. 2 times 7, which equals to 14 cookies. Therefore, Darriel has 14 cookies. Well, it's easy, right? Well, thank you everyone for watching our video today. So, see you in the next video. Bye!